Today I'm going to show you how to make flapjacks. You will need 300 grams of porridge oats, 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. In a saucepan over a low heat, add your butter, your brown sugar and your golden syrup, and cook over a low heat until the butter has melted and everything is well combined. Then to a bowl with your porridge oats in, you want to add in your wet ingredients and you want to give it a really good stir until it's all well combined. And then you want to pre-grease and pre-line a baking tray. Mine was 18 centimetres by 18 centimetres. And just add your flapjack filling into the middle. And you just want to press down with the back of the spoon just to try and compact it as much as possible. And then you want to pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 30 to 35 minutes until the top is golden. And there you have it. That's how you make flapjacks.